Bakit ba ayaw ng simbahan ng divorce? Bakit ba ayaw ng simbahan ng same-sex marriage, ng death penalty? Simple lang, ayaw ni Jesus, yun lang yun. Hindi dahil sa ayaw lang ng pare o obispo. Ayaw ng Diyos, yun lang yun. Ano pa sabi natin? Basta masaya ka, yun ang mahalaga. Basta masaya ka, kahit nakakatapa ka ng iba, kahit nagiging makamundo ka na, kahit nagkakasala ka na, basta masaya ka. Yun ba ang sabi ng Panginoon? Ikaw, self. Hindi! Ang sabi ng Panginoon, deny yourself. Ang sabi pa niya, anong mapapala ng tao? Makamtan man niya ang buong mundo kung ang kapalit naman ito ay ang kanyang buhay sa impyerno.
Mahal na Diyos, ako po ay lumalapit sa inyo ng buong pagpapakumbaba at bukas na puso. Maraming salamat po sa buhay na ipinagkaloob ninyo sa akin, sa pagmamahal at sa mga biyayang natatanggap ko sa araw-araw. Alam ko po na ako ay nilikha ninyo sa iyong larawan at kasama ng aking pagkatao ang pagiging isang bakla. Minsan po nahihirapan akong tanggapin ang aking sarili dahil sa mga opinyon ng iba. Ngunit sa puso ko ay naniniwala akong hindi ninyo ako kailanman tinalikuran. Mahal ninyo ako sa kabila ng lahat ng aking kahinaan at takot. Sana gabayan ninyo po ako palagi at sana matanggap ng aking kaibigan ang aking kasarian. Bigyan ninyo po ako ng lakas ng loob upang masabi sa kanya ang tunay kong pagkatao.
Alam mo, ang saya ko na nandyan ka marami para makinig sa mga sermon ko. Pero lately, I've noticed na parang malungkot ka. May problema ba?
Wala. Baka masyadong napapa-overthink lang sa mga bagay-bagay.
Hindi ka naman ganito, Rafael. You've always been strong. Hindi ka takot magpahayag ng iyong nararamdaman. Kung may problema ka, hinaharap, sabihin mo lang.
Mara, I need to tell you something. Something that I have been hiding for so long. Hindi ko na kayang itago pa.
Rafael, ano yun? Sabihin mo na. Hindi ko pa narinig na ganyan ang kabigat mong salita.
I'm gay, Mara. I've known it for a long time. And I've been hiding it because I thought it could just spray it away. Or pretend to be someone else, but I can keep pretending.
But are you sure, Rafael? Isn't that a sin? I don't know what to think right now. Are you sure? I don't know, Rafael. It's just, I love you as a friend, but I don't think I can support something that goes against what people thought. I don't know if I can accept it.
I understand. I just need to tell you the truth. I don't expect you to accept it right away. I just want you to know who I really am.
Makalipas ang ilang linggo, hindi magsamang muli si Rafael at si Mara. Si Rafael ay sumama sa kanyang bagong kaibigan at si Mara naman ay pinili niyang mapag-isa at mag-isip dahil sa mga nasabi ni Rafael.
Rafael, I prayed about this, but I don't know what to do. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko mapapatawad ang sarili ko for feeling like I failed you.
I never wanted you to feel that way. I just wanted to be honest with you. Hindi lang kaya magtago.
But my faith, Rafael, it tells me that what you're doing is wrong. I can just ignore that, and I can just ignore you. As my friend, I feel torn between my love for you and my faith.
I never asked you to choose between me and your faith, but I can keep pretending to be someone and not just to make other people feel comfortable. I don't expect you to accept this right away. I just need you to be honest with me. I need you to be my friend.
Be there for you. I don't know how. I feel like I'm betraying God by supporting you.
I don't want to lose you either, Mara. I just want you to see me as me. Hindi dahil sa kasalanan ko.
Several weeks pass. Rafael and Mara have not spoken much. They're both grappling with their feelings, and the strain is taking a toll. One evening, Mara sends Raphael a message asking to meet. They meet again at the park, but this time, Mara approaches him with a softer, more accepting demeanor.
Raphael, I've been thinking about everything we talk about, and I've come to realize that being your friend doesn't mean I have to agree with everything. I don't have all the answers, but I do know that God wants us to love one another no matter what.
I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you for trying to understand.
I don't have all the answers, but I'll be here for you. As long as you're being true to yourself, I'll try to be true to you as well. You know, Raphael, I think I finally understand what you were trying to say. It's hard, but love really is all about acceptance, even if it's difficult.
Thanks, Mara. I never expected you to fully understand, but I'm glad we're still friends. I think this is the peace I've been searching for.